Hi everybody and welcome back, and today we will be discussing about the best way to max battle pass in anime Vanguards. So this is going to be really easy. Now before we move on, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So each of the battle pass of every season is going to be coming with different level and missions. So if you have purchased your premium pass or your battle pass, you will be seeing that on the top we have different type of points, and you need to be collecting them by killing enemies in game. So the best way to max out your battle pass in anime Vanguards is by killing your enemies. So you will be leveling up and moving forward each step, and you will be unlocking different type of gems and rewards. So you can see the rewards go on, and every season comes with different missions and points that you're gonna follow and complete, and eventually once you do that you will be able to unlock and maximize your battle pass. So make sure to give it a try, and it is going to be really helping you guys out. And let us know in the comments below if you still have any questions. I will try to get back to you as soon as possible to fix it up. Stay tuned and see you guys in the next video.